Dawson.
Joey, go. I'm telling you before I take it all back, all right? Just go. Go.
For an entire generation, this face defined growing up. James Vanderbeek wasn't just Dawson. He was vulnerability, ambition, and the voice of every confused teen trying to understand life.
But hello, and congratulations. This show is doing very well. That must feel good.
Yeah, it's nice to have a job.
Yeah.
From Dawson's Creek to bold, self-aware roles later in his career, he proved one thing: reinvention takes courage.
They're cute as can be.
Yeah.
And good for you for rescuing.
Yeah.
And, yes, rescuing.
Beyond the screen, he's been open about fatherhood, mental health, and what it really means to grow up. Legends aren't always loud. Sometimes they're honest. This is James Vanderbeek, an era, a memory, a feeling.